Hi guys, Sherlock's Apprentice here, aka Mike, and it's that time again. Here we go once again on another video on 233 and World War III. The last video in the series was to watch the 19th of October 2024. That day came and went with nothing special happening, but I've discovered its significance relative to my latest download. Since I began this World War III series 2 years ago, every time I could not work out what year things could possibly happen. But now I think 2025 could be the year. 2025 is the year 6025 in Freemasons calendar, Anno Lucis, in the year of light. So it's used by Freemasonry, and this year is 6025. World War III, 233, Day 43 all have 625 in satanic gematria. And remember, in gematria, we drop the 0. So here on Wikipedia, you can see, for example, Anno Domini 2025 becomes in Anno Lucis 6025. And here on a Freemason Lodge, here you can see Anno Domini 2003 and 6,000. So they add 4,000 years. Quick reminder of other gematria connections with World War III. Let you go through this. Pause if you want more time. We covered this in previous videos. So Sherlock's, when is the day of revelation, Jesus' return in 2025? We know it's not the 23rd of March because we've already passed that date. So let's cut to the chase. I think it could be the 5th of May, 2025. And 233 isn't what I thought it was. From 19th of October, 2025 to the 5th of May is 198 days. And from previous videos, remember the 198th day is July 17th, 717. And I did a video on 717 and Yahweh. But I've missed before. 198 is 66 plus 66 plus 66. Oh, I'd forgotten. You can see here 198 days from October 19th to the 5th of May. So here again, a quick reminder of the calendar I use, showing our Gregorian calendar in black. Remembering to add a day for a leap year. And the numbers in red are what I call the elite calendar, the Roman calendar, which starts from the 1st of March. And we give the number of days and the remaining days. And the ones I've put around boxes are ones we're going to cover. So on the 2nd of April, quite recently, President Donald Trump, the chosen one, announced his Liberation Day. Actually, it was the beginning of a global trade war. 2nd of April is the 33rd day of the elite calendar. And 33 days after that is the 5th of May. So 233 could, I believe, now be two lots of 33, equaling 66 days. 23rd of March is the 23rd day on the elite calendar, obviously starting from the 1st of March. And then add 43 days. Remember my video on day 43, 23 and 43 also gives 66. So add 43 days to the 23rd of March and we get the 5th of May 2025. My day 66 shown here. So day 43, 233, World War III, all matching quite nicely on the Gematria. I was just about to produce a video before doing this one on how the number 6 was 5 and that it changed over history when this download came about the year. We all know Satan is 55 in Gematria. The planet Saturn, Satan, symbol looks like a number 5 shown here. It's the 5th planet after Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter. Remembering Earth's not a planet. Also remember that Jesus' return in satanic gematria was 555. Yeah, more fives. And we've all been focused on 666 instead of maybe 555. The fifth day of the fifth month in the year 2025, or 6025 in the Anno Lucis. Would you believe 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625? So therefore we have 5th of May, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and we get 6 5s. Yeah, could be your duality there, 555 and 555. More on the chosen one, President Trump. He was confirmed as the 47th President of the United States on the 6th of November 2024, exactly 6 months or 181 days before the 5th of May 2025. In my first video in the series of World War III, number 16, like I say, 2 years ago, I talked about 611 from this picture. And I was saying it was an upside down 911. And so now I'm going back to these old videos that I did on the series and reminding myself of all the cross references. It's mind blowing. So here was the picture I got from the Chinese television, and I thought this was significant. So yes, between these dates, 181 days. 170 days before the 5th of May, 17th of November 2024, which is the 322nd day of the year with 44 days remaining. And we all know what 322 is. This fella here it is, 17th of November, 322nd day of the year. 170 days goes to the 5th of May. And there's another 44 with Jesus' return, 170 days. Staying with Skull and Bones and President Trump was confirmed as the 47th President of the United States and his inauguration on the 20th of January 2025, which just happens to be 3 months, 2 weeks, 2 days, another 322 to the 5th of May. From President Trump's 77th birthday, they like their 7/7s as well, to the 5th of May 2025 is 692 days. There is 692 days. There's another 2222 we covered before. What's the significance of 692? Well, they are Jesus is Lucifer and Yahweh is the devil. These numbers I come up with, satanic being 666, but the reverse satanic 692. Pope Francis' 82nd birthday to the 5th of May is exactly, little topo, 333 weeks. 17th of December is the 351st day of the year. 170 plus 181 is 351. 351 is 233 in base 8. So here we have 333 weeks from his 82nd birthday to the 5th of May. Now, 351, day 351, they are, and in it's 73 days, again, another 73 in the elite calendar, to the end of the elite calendar. Number 73, we've covered so many times. July 3rd can be written as 7-3. Interesting, in the elite calendar, July 3rd is the 125th day of the year with 240 days remaining. It also has 181 days remaining in the Gregorian calendar. Here we have July 3rd, 125 days. There's 181 in the Gregorian calendar. May 5th, on the other hand, is the 125th day in the Gregorian calendar. Look, 125, 240, and in the Gregorian calendar, 125, 240. And 125 just happens to be 5 times 5 times 5. There we are again, 555. Remember, October 19th from my last video has 73 days remaining to the end of the year. And it was a 233 in the elite calendar. And the Pope's birthday is 73 days remaining in the elite calendar. This 73 keeps coming up. So as usual, I've saved the best till last. The date of the COVID-19 being declared by World as a worldwide pandemic by the WHO was the 11th of March 2020, which is 5 years and 55 days to the 5th of May 2025. 5th of May 2025, March 11, 2020, 5 years and 55 days. So there you go, guys. Let's watch the 5th of May. It's not long. Today is what I'm doing this on the 16th of April. So not long to go now. I'm sure it's nothing. I'm sure these numbers are just all coincidence. But I'm going through all the old videos in the series, and I recommend you do too, because I've covered so much Gematria in these 7 videos, and they are now really starting to cross-reference themselves. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye for now.